In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar chart with a reference line in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and locate the dataset you want to turn into a chart. Before building the chart itself, you'll need to prepare your data so Excel has something it can use as the reference line. This is a simple step, but it's what makes the final chart much more informative and visually clear. Next, add a new column beside your main data. You can name this column something like target or average, depending on what the line is meant to represent. In that new column, enter the same reference value in every row. For example, if your target value is 100, type 100 all the way down the column so that each category has the same comparison point. This repeated value allows Excel to draw a straight line across the chart later on. Once your reference column is in place, select all of your data, including both the original values and the new reference column. Then go to the Insert tab in the ribbon. From there, click Insert Column or Bar Chart and choose the clustered bar option or clustered column if that better matches the way you want your chart to appear. At this stage, Excel will create a chart that shows both your main data and the reference data as bars. That may not look right yet, but that's completely expected. Now it's time to turn the reference values into a line. In the chart, find the bars that represent the reference series, then right-click on them. From the menu that appears, choose Change Series Chart Type. This opens the chart type settings for each data series in your chart. In that dialog box, locate the reference series you added earlier, change its chart type from a bar or column to a line, such as line with markers, and then click OK. As soon as you do that, Excel will convert that repeated reference series into a line across your chart, giving you a clear visual benchmark against your bar data. And that's it. You now have a bar chart with a reference line in Excel. This is a great way to compare actual values against a target, average, or threshold, and it makes your chart much easier to read at a glance. If you want, you can further format the line afterward by changing its color or thickness to make it stand out more clearly.